Every day, businesses lose time to the same struggle: missing staff, last-minute changes, scattered messages, and schedules that never seem to stay on track. When someone requests a day off or doesn't show up, managers scramble. Hours are lost searching for replacements, checking availability and updating plans. Meet the Intelligent Workforce Management Platform, powered by AI. A single system that predicts, automates, and organizes your entire workforce. Employees set their availability. The system matches workers to shifts based on skills and demand. Replacements are found automatically, often in minutes. Field workers receive assignments, document work, and report issues directly from the mobile application. Whether you run retail, construction, security, logistics, or 24/7 operations, your teams stay connected, your workflows stay clean, and your business runs with precision. Fewer errors, faster communication, complete visibility, and a workforce that finally works intelligently. Transform your operations with AI-driven workforce management. Smarter shifts, stronger teams.